Hello lovely people, I'm Leah Catherine and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things curly. If you're interested, why don't you subscribe and check out my other videos once you finish this one first. So today I'm going to be trying to dye my hair with beetroot because why not? I'm in quarantine, I'm bored, and I've been wanting to try this for quite a while. I like experimenting with different hair colours. I have had pink and I've messed up pink, and I've had peekaboo highlights of pink, blue and purple, but my hair just hates bleach, and to get my hair light enough to have fun colours I have to bleach my hair, and here are some photos of my hair looking really unhappy whilst being bleached. So I want to be able to have fun hair without bleaching it, so I'm hoping that beetroot will work, because if you've ever eaten beetroot then you know it absolutely stains everything it touches, so hopefully it might end up giving my hair a little bit of a tint. I'm hoping. We'll see, we'll find out today. So I have done some research, and by research I mean watching YouTube videos, and I have seen that a lot of people get fresh beetroot and then they boil it and prepare it themselves, but because I'm in quarantine I can't just go out and buy a beetroot, so I'm using what I have available, and what I have available is a jar of beetroot, and it comes in like, not a sauce, like a juice or a water, which is really pigmented, really purple, really red. So I'm hoping I can use that to stain my hair. So this is what I'm going to be using. You can see it comes in like a liquid that's really red. So I need to separate the beetroot from the rest of the juice so I can just use the juice and not the beetroot. I feel quite bad about wasting a whole jar of beetroot. I mean, you can see like it's dusty, nobody uses it. But I still feel bad about wasting it, so I'm going to try and make something with it. Might make a salad with it, so I'm going to keep the beetroot and use the juice.
Ruby was so cute because he was on it.
I've got my beetroot juice in here. I don't know if that'll be enough. It should be enough. And I've got the beetroot in here. I am now in my bathroom. I have my tub of beetroot juice, and I've put this on just to protect my skin and protect what I'm wearing underneath, because I don't really care about this top. I use this one for plopping, so it doesn't really matter if it gets stuff on it. What's that? A bit of fluff. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to put my head over into the bath and dip my hair into the beetroot juice. So we'll see if that works. It's in. You can see got a little bit on my forehead, on my ear a little bit. But I'm gonna leave it on. I don't know how long for. I think at least an hour I'm gonna try and leave it on for. And then hopefully we'll see. I'm excited, I really hope it works. It looks like there's been a murder, so I'm gonna have to clean it up before it stains the bath, because nobody in the house would be happy if that happens. It looks like a gruesome murder has taken place though. To try to prevent me from staining everything in the house, I've just put a little plastic hat on. Is it a hat? A cap? On my head to prevent me from staining everything in the house. It has been almost 2 hours. I'm definitely glad I put this on. It is very messy. So I'm going to wash it out now, and fingers crossed it's done something. So so my hair is still wet. It will be hard to tell whether it works or not until it's dry, and then even then it might be very subtle, so you can only see it in the sun. So I'm going to dry my hair as normal, and I'll come back to show you what it looks like once it's dry. Can you see it in the light?
I can't see any colour.
Just brown.
Just brown.
Oh.
And lovely curls.
Oh.
But no, I can't really see.
No red.
No,
No purple.
I don't think so.
Oh well.
The beautiful, beautiful empty beach. To be gorgeous.
It is very nice. It's very peaceful. Hello lovely people, I'm back. It's now 9 o'clock, my hair is completely dry, and as you can see my hair is still brown. So I continue the search for finding a hair colour that will work on my dark brown hair without having to bleach it. So I have tried beetroot, I've also tried the Revolution rainbow paste. I'll link that here if you haven't seen that already, go give that a watch. Yeah, finding a hair dye that can go over dark hair without having to bleach it first is quite difficult because I don't want to bleach my hair. Oh well, it was fun, it was something to do. I'm bored during the quarantine, so I don't regret doing it, but it wasn't that effective. It might work if you have lighter hair. That's all I have to say. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a like and leave a comment telling me why you liked it or why you didn't like it, or a comment saying absolutely anything at all because I love seeing the comments. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.